It has been unbelievable, folks. The number of volunteers who have come out and helped us knock on doors, put up signs, and make sure that Foothills remains blue. The blue wave is going to sweep right across Canada, but it all starts right here in southern Alberta. Our next Super Saturday Canvassing Day is going to be in Okotoks, and we would love to see you come on out. The more people who come volunteer and help us knock doors, the more ground we can cover and carry this momentum forward to the election day on April 28th. So come on out, contact our team. Love to see you out on the Super Saturday Canvassing in Okotoks. See you there.